Rosel Soto, 42 years old, married. I have three kids. My height is 5'1", my weight is 56. Before I have a working experience in Kuwait in almost 4 years. My responsibility are cooking, cleaning the house, take care baby, 2 and 6 years old. Sometimes I'm washing car. And my previous employer are from Hong Kong. I worked there in almost 9 months because the children are all big. They don't need helper, and the parents want the children independent. Their ages are 16 and 17. My work there are go to market, cooking Chinese food, cleaning the house,